Long, fluffy basmati rice, colorful veggies, and that irresistible aroma. This is my quick and comforting mixed vegetable rice, and today I'm showing you exactly how to make it. I'm starting with 1 cup of basmati rice. Wash it really well. Gently rub the grains and rinse until the water runs clear. Once washed, soak the rice for a bit. There is no fixed soaking time for basmati rice, but please don't soak it for too long, otherwise, the grains break easily. And remember one golden rule: always soak after washing, never wash after soaking, because these basmati rice break very easily and the end result will not be appealing at all. Now, for the veggies, I have already chopped 1 carrot, 1/4 part of a big cauliflower, and half cup of green peas. I'm also using soy chunks, to which I'm soaking for some time in order to soften them. Then take 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan. But before turning on the flame, let me show you some whole spices which I'm going to use. I've taken 1 big black cardamom, half teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon fennel seeds, couple of bay leaves, 4 to 5 green cardamoms, and some black peppercorns. So when the oil is hot, first add the bay leaves, then cumin seeds followed by fennel seeds, and then lightly crush the peppercorns and both the cardamoms, like black cardamom and the green cardamoms, together in a mortar and pestle and add in. Crushing whole spices before adding them releases an amazing aroma into the oil, and that flavor carries through the entire dish. So always crush and add the whole spices in the oil. Then add 1 heaped teaspoon of grated ginger and saute it. Let the rawness go away, and then add in few powdered spices. So here goes half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1.5 teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon red chili powder, and a pinch of garam masala, say around 1/4 teaspoon garam masala powder, because we have already added whole spices. So guys, always reduce the heat before adding powdered spices because they burn very fast. Well, I've seen some people mix the spices with water first, which is also a great trick, but if you manage to roast them directly in oil on low flame, the flavor is just next level. So next time, please do try this way. Alright, so here I have added all the chopped vegetables along with little bit of salt so they release the moisture and cook faster. Also add in all the soy chunks. Just squeeze out all the excess water and add into it. Then cover and cook for around 5 minutes so that the vegetables are roughly around 30% cooked. Then after 5 minutes, open the lid and add all the soaked rice. Make sure all the water is completely drained. Mix everything gently and fry on high flame for at least 6 to 7 minutes. Just keep stirring continuously. This step is important because it gives the rice that structure and amazing taste. Add salt as per your taste here. As soon as you notice a slight pinkish or reddish tint on the rice grains, it's time for water. So I'm adding exactly double the water. So 1 cup of rice needs 2 cups of water. The ratio is exactly 1:2. Then let this water come to one boil. Then lower down the heat, place the lid and let it cook for around 10 minutes. Then in 10 to 12 minutes, the rice will be done. So switch off the flame and finish it with some freshly chopped cilantro or coriander leaves and 1 teaspoon of desi ghee. This is optional guys. If you like that ghee flavor in your rice dishes, you can go ahead and add it. Otherwise, you can completely skip it. And that's it guys. Our 1 pot mixed vegetable rice is ready to be served. Pair it with some cool raita and crispy papad and enjoy.